no, I legit just woke up and it was like, let's film a makeup tutorial. Like, let's just do it. Let's just go for it. So I'm actually going somewhere. So this is like real life, legit. I would really wear this out makeup look. But this is like the winter version because it's so, like, y'all just already know how dry it is outside and how much your skin struggling from like the winter cold frigid air. So I'm gonna show you guys how to not look crusty, not look cakey, but still look very glowy and clean with your makeup look. First, get a good facial wash. So I just washed my face. Also, welcome to my bathroom. Little bows up. Okay, nobody cares, but there's like little tiny bows. CeraVe, you know, not doing too much. Simple foaming cleanser, and it removes your makeup, which I love so much. After that, I put on my moisturizer, and then what we're gonna do is put on a hydrating glow. A need, just like a dollop. And I put it on my face. I've always put makeup or like what am I saying? I've always put lotion on my face this way because when I was a little girl, I saw this commercial and it was like Neutrogena, and the lady was putting it on like that. Ever since then, I've done it like this. I feel like it equally like spreads it around your face, so that's what I do. Eye cream, because I feel like when you put concealer on, you don't want to have creases under your eyes, so this is a great way to minimize that. So I take this finger and then I kind of like gently, very, very gently dab it out like this. Very sensitive under your eyes, so I try to be like very gentle. Now that we're done, oh, last thing, this is from Trader Joe's. It's a lip mask. This really helps with not having dry lips, especially with dry air and in the winter time. Okay, now for the makeup part. I'm going in with the Sephora oh, wait, you guys, I forgot toner. To make sure my skin is super dewy before adding makeup, like the most, like the dewiest, juiciest, like skin ever. So I go in with this hydrating toner. It's from, I'm not gonna try to pronounce that, okay? If you don't have a toner, you can always use a setting spray because it's like still gonna keep your makeup on forever. I'm going in with this concealer. Guys, the way I apply my concealer now has changed my life. Like a little fluffy brush, and then you take your concealer and you just take as much as you need from there. And then you put it on your face. So instead of like a bunch of cakey concealer like this, you kind of make it look a little more like neater this way. Corner of my eyes, and then on the outer corner, because I feel like I have a very oval face, so this, and I have almond eyes, so it kind of lifts. But yeah, apply your concealer however you need to, because you know everybody's different and the way you apply your makeup really depends on your face. I feel like I have hyperpigmentation around my, you can't really see on the camera, but I feel like I have, you know, it's kind of dark right here. So I try to apply it like kind of around my lips. I'm doing like all the little dark spots on my face. Also, hope you guys had a great new year. I did. I made sure to eat grapes, 12 grapes under the table because I know it's like good luck and it brings. I did that last year and I had a pretty good year. So I did it again. Okay, once you're done doing that to your liking, I don't know if you saw, but I purposely left the concealer here just to like cook a little bit. And I don't know if you noticed, but I have wood in my forehead because I feel like it doesn't really need any coverage. So I have this Maybelline eraser thingy. Hello, okay. Maybelline eraser. And I'm not putting this under my eyes. I'm actually putting this under my eyebrows just to clean them up. I already have naturally thick, dark eyebrows, so I try to do like the least to them because I don't want to be looking crazy. But what I can do is just clean them up a little bit. The angled brush right here. I don't know where I got it. This is literally my mom's. I think she gave it to me. And like the outer or the inner corner of my eyebrows, and just kind of shaping them in a way like that. You let your concealer or anything sit, girl, it's just gonna stay there. So I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. Something I love about the winter is that I can use like a powdered blush. I feel like I can't do that in the summer because it's just like you're hot, you're sweaty, you're cakey, and you want to wear the least amount of makeup as possible. And I do use a tinted like blush for summer, but I also use it for winter because it's very moisturizing. I got this from Target, but it's the e.l.f. brand, and it's in the Berry Well shade, whatever that means. And I'm going to take some and kind of, this a little goes a long way. Listen, a little goes a long way. So I take a little dot here and a little dot here. This is the brand Phase Zero. I've had this makeup palette for a little too long. I probably should have thrown it away because I've had this since middle school, but that's okay. And it's in this kind of like peachy shade. But the thing I like about this is that it has like faint, like notes of glitter, like you're gonna see. So you take your brush, and I'm just gonna pat some off, and then go in right here, right here. Wait, dude. I'm applying more. I feel like that did nothing. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have a hair in my eyeball. Okay, so we're gonna go like here. You kind of spread that out, and then you're gonna notice that it like naturally gives you kind of some warmth to your face when you add it over your eyelid. Is that just me? Like, I noticed some warmth going on, and that's what we need in the winter, some light. I'm gonna add some more. I don't think I'm blush blind, but I definitely love blush, okay? And I feel like more is more, obviously. If you don't have this kind of blush, I recommend taking a little highlighter and just like dabbing a little bit. You're gonna take a little bit and put it on your nose, but not too much. We're not trying to look like Rudolph, but you just like that. See how I gave a little highlighter? This is what I'm saying, guys. This has like a glow to it, like a little piece of glitter in it, I swear. I'm going to take our setting spray because blush is the first thing to go once you walk out the door. It's like the easiest thing to leave your face. We don't want this to go. So we take our setting spray and we're just gonna spray on the corner of our face where we applied the blush, little in the middle for our nose, and we're good. Okay, now that we applied our setting spray, we can do our eyebrows because we kind of woke up the product that was sitting there. This brush right here, and then I'm just kind of going to dab in the rest of the oh my gosh, this was a dirty brush, and just put eyeshadow under my eye. You see that, guys? Oopsies. Wait, maybe we can work with it. Whatever, make sure you have a clean brush and don't be like me. A way to test that is just like going over your hand and seeing if it still has product. Let's take a clean brush and dab the product in. It doesn't look bad because I actually like this eyeshadow color, and maybe it'll give me like a natural contour. Yeah, that's what I'm telling myself. Now we're taking our e.l.f. eyebrow gel. Looks like this, and we're just gonna apply some. This kind of gives it like, or this lifts my eyebrows a little bit so I can clean them up. I'm taking this side of the eyebrow thingy, and I'm just gonna very slowly lift up because I want the product to go into my eyebrow, so I'm not trying to rush it. Other side. Cute. Okay. I have this very adorable pocket palette that my mom got for me. This is from Sephora, and what I like about it is like everything slides out. It's so cute. You see, I love this color so much, but we're gonna be using this one because we want to bring the warmth. I take the brush that I accidentally put under my eyebrows and take this color just a little bit and then dab it off. And then we're gonna, this is very pigmented, so a little goes a long ways. And then I take a separate brush and just blend that in, you know, simple. I feel like this naturally gives a shadow on the end of your eye that kind of like extends it out. Especially if you're an almond eye girly, like this looks really good on your eyes. Makeup should accentuate your features, and then it's like most likely gonna look good on you, if that makes any sense at all. This gold right here and I'm just gonna apply it right here. Now we're gonna be doing eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner. I love using a waterproof eyeliner because I feel like I don't have to worry about it going anywhere. I prefer like the Sephora brand, but I think I got this from Target. And it's felt tip. Make sure it's felt tip, because then it's easier to apply. So how I do my eyeliner, the corner of my eye right here, and then I kind of like draw it in. And you see I made a little line right there. So then I'm gonna go over my eye and create like the faintest, like little tiny skinniest line ever on top of my eye. This is like too thin for me. I don't like a thin eyeliner where if it's eyeliner you're gonna go extra. So let's be extra. Hold on. So yeah, that's the eyeliner. Let me show you my favorite mascara ever. Literally it's faded like the you can't even see the name, but it looks like this. I got it from Target because one day I was in Target, I was looking up tubing mascaras, and this is literally what came up, and I was like, okay, fine, let's go with it. I've never tried this before. Changed my life. It's called Double Extend, and it just look for a mascara that looks like this, because it's like on the literally the bottom row in the mascara section at Target, and very underrated. Like a white primer side, and then it has the tubing mascara side. And if you don't know what tubing mascara is, it literally makes your eyelashes look longer because I don't know the science behind it, but it like literally tubes your eyelashes. Like they become much longer than they are because it's like just extending out of nothing. I hope I explained that right. Also lately I've been using putting on this eyelash serum, and I feel like it's been working. Like one of my goals is to have such long eyelashes that people are like, are those extensions? And then I can be like, no, this is me, this is natural. And then I'm just like the coolest. You're gonna look a little like a winter princess for a second because your eyelashes are white. I like to let that sit too. Makeup is all about like fun and patience. Like you can't rush makeup unless you have somewhere to be. But makeup is all about taking your time and just like going with the flow, or else it's not gonna look good. Fenty Beauty highlighter. Love her. I've had this for a long time and I got this shade. Look at how gorgeous. I used the most glittery side, of course. On my nose again and go on the ends of my eyebrows with the mascara. The thing I hate about mascara is how long it takes and how much patience you have to have. And I want to be like journaling more and reading my Bible more. That's my goal. Okay. Dude, this camera won't pick up my details. Come on, man. A little corner highlighter will definitely accentuate your eyes and just highlight them and make them look so pretty. Last thing is we're doing our lips. I'm going to share my lip combo all over the internet so y'all can just go ahead and steal it. Using the shade Espresso. Yeah. Dude, you want to make sure that you have the sharpest, most cleanest lip pencil every time, because it's gonna give you the best lines ever. You should invest in like a pencil sharpener for lip liners specifically, like not just any pencil sharpener. This is from Sephora. It's gonna elevate your lip combo. With the espresso one, and then I have like a more reddish one that I go over it. Let me show y'all. This gorgeous shade in Vintage. As you can see, she's almost done. Like, I love this shade. We're gonna go slightly, just like one line, and then I like to go on the top, but like only on the cupid's bow of my lips, like right here. I wanna have shiny lips today. So I'm gonna take kind of this glittery lip gloss Listen, this is a very extra thing to do. You don't have to do it. And then I take my Summer Fridays, and this is the cherry, and it smells so good. The top of my lips, and it's red, and I feel like a brown lip liner with a red lip gloss just eats. Dude, another tip for lip gloss, if you feel like it's dripping or it's like a ring of lip gloss around your mouth, apply like a little bit in the middle and then spread it out like this, and then it'll like evenly get on your lips without, you know, being on the corner. So that's it for my makeup routine. Super simple, nothing too crazy. Kind of sad that this video is ending. It's like saying goodbye, but if you still miss me, make sure you check out my other videos. I have a lot of cool vids. I'm a pretty cool person, I think so. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Click that like button, support me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.